The ISO is another parameter that determines how much light gets into your frame. The term ISO comes from the sensitivity of the film in old analog photography. ISO comes in a scale where the lowest number is the lowest sensitivity, and it's used in situations where you have a lot of light, to a higher number with higher sensitivity where you are in low light conditions. You might think this is perfect, I can play with ISO as much as I can. Well, unfortunately, there's a downside, and it's a big downside. The higher the ISO, the higher the grain or the noise. You might think, what's that? What's the noise? Well, imagine it. It's like a thin layer of dust on top of your image. The ISO is determined by the camera, and it also varies a lot from camera model to camera model. The lowest is usually 100 or 200. Remember though that the highest number will probably have a lot of grain, so it's really up to you to decide how much high you want to go. Do you want to print the image? Do you want to print it large? The sharpness of the image is really important. Then you should prioritize the ISO. If you want to keep your image in your camera or even just your smartphone and you don't want to blow it up, then probably the ISO is not your first priority.